Hello, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about monthly stock market review. And we will figure out, is it still bearish trend? What's going on with the stock market? And I also publish daily, monthly, weekly updates for indexes, ETFs, stocks, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button. Thank you so much. Let's move to trading view. Trading view. If you want to learn more about it, just go to the description and there is the link about trading view setup. You can learn it. Okay, let me briefly tell you about my setup. I'm using one indicator MACD indicator, moving averages, and buy and sell script. MACD indicator, green line, it's a bullish trend, red line, it's a bearish trend. When the green line changed to red line, it's a bearish crossover over the white line signal line. Histogram, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. You see how simple it is, right? From 2020, it was bearish, and it changed color from red to green. It's a bullish crossover. Bullish crossover it was until January 2022, and in January 2022, bearish crossover, and it was bearish trend, and still bearish trend on monthly. On monthly, still bearish trend. Yeah, last bar below MA 5, 10, and 20, still bearish trend on monthly. Has monthly bearish trend. MA 20, you see, like did curl. It's kind of changing direction to bearish, and it did it last time in 2008. 2008 when it did that curl. Similar now. We are getting to bearish direction, and we are moving to the destination to touch MA 200. Right? Look at that. It touched it. It did go below MA 200 in 2008. Since 2008, it never crossed MA 200. Someday it will cross MA 200, and it will be interesting destination, right? How low we will go? We will go to, I believe we will touch the MA 200. We'll see. Okay, so far I don't have crystal ball. I don't guess, I don't predict. I'm just follow the market. I follow the market. It's simple and easy and successful. Monthly, bearish trend for SPY. Let's check weekly. Weekly, green line, bullish trend. MA5 did bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover. And it's kind of mixed, right? MACD is still bullish, but my MA5 already it told us it's already bearish crossover. MA20 in a downtrend direction. It is bearish trend. Even MACD is still bullish. Okay, let's move to Qs. And remember, for swing trading, I'm using daily time frame and 4 hours. For intraday trading, I'm using 5 hours, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. But for weekly and monthly, I don't use it for any trainings. I just use it weekly and monthly just to monitor the monthly direction. It's good for investors and good for traders to monitor general market direction. Look at it like this one. On yes, Qs on monthly. Look at it on monthly. MA20 did curl, right? Curl downtrend. MA5 did bearish crossover like long, yeah, one year ago. Bearish trend. Sell script, bearish trend. MACD did bearish crossover from January 2022, right? Since that time, it's a bearish trend, no changes. Even even MACD did bearish crossover over zero line. That's what we have. Bearish direction, bearish trend on monthly. Let's check on weekly. On weekly, MA20 did bearish crossover. Look at it, bearish crossover over 200. The same story was in 2008. You see, we never saw bearish crossover over MA200. MA20 never It didn't do bearish crossover for a long time from 2008. The last bearish crossover was of MA20 in 2008, in 2008. Unbelievable, right? But charts, charts never lies. Charts never lie. That's, yeah, politicians, they always tell us fake stuff, but charts, it is truth chart because it's based on the historical data and it's mathematical indicators. It's you cannot fight with math. It's always proof. Okay, sell signal on weekly on the, yeah, still MA20 ready for bearish crossover. Be ready, market will go down. Market will go down. Look like it will go down at least to this level. This level, this kind of support, like first, this support, $180. $180 for Qs. I'm not, I don't have crystal ball. My style is just follow the market. No prediction, no guesses, no, just follow the market. Sorry with the mess. Okay, that's what we have now. It was bullish for Qs on weekly, but it's ready for bearish crossover. On the MA20, bearish crossover, bearish signal. MA5 did bearish crossover. On monthly, it is bearish. On weekly, it's ready for bearish also. Ready for bearish also. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones. MA5 did bearish crossover also. And MACD still bullish, but moving averages already bearish crossover. Okay, yeah, it's ready for bearish trend. Dow Jones bearish ready for bearish trend on weekly. On monthly, it is bearish, no changes. But it has buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover on monthly. Looks like it wants to go bullish, right? Even MACD is still red, but it wants to go bullish because MA5 did bullish crossover. That's what we have with Dow. Dow, the strongest index. It's mixed mode, right? MACD bullish, MA5 bearish crossover, bullish trend. Mixed mode. Let's move to IWM. Sorry, IWM monthly. IWM monthly, bearish trend, no changes. MACD in the red color, bearish trend. MA5 still in the bearish trend, no crossover. On monthly. Weekly, IWM weekly, MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD bearish crossover, red color, bearish trend weekly and monthly for IWM. Okay, let's do summary for indexes. Weekly, they ready to change direction to bearish. On monthly, they already bearish, no changes. That's the style for all indexes. Let's do Apple also. Apple monthly, bearish trend, bearish direction, bearish on the moving averages. MA5 bearish crossover. MACD bearish trend on monthly for Apple. Weekly, it's a similar bearish trend on MA5 bearish crossover, and MACD bearish trend with bullish divergences, but bearish trend. MA20 downtrend on weekly and monthly, bearish trend on the MACD, right? And moving averages did bearish crossover. Also, still by sell signal, right? Still sell signal on monthly and sell signal on weekly. Let's check Tesla. Tesla monthly. Tesla monthly bearish trend on monthly. On the MACD bearish trend, and on weekly it's a bearish trend. MA5 and MA10 did bearish crossover. MA20 ready for bearish crossover also. Bearish trend for Tesla on weekly and monthly. Last time Tesla did bullish crossover in 19. Look at it, bearish trend on weekly, but it's oversold. The only positive thing is it has bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on the histogram, but it has its last bar far from MA20. Far from MA20. That it definitely oversold and it wants to connect back to MA20. But generally, it is bearish trend, no changes. Look at it, it's still bearish trend and it will continue. On weekly and monthly, same story, bearish trend. Oversold, look at it, last bar, how far it's from MA20. It definitely will have bounce, and it wants to have bounce, at least to connect to MA5 on monthly. Look at it. It's still last bar far from MA5 even. It definitely needs to connect to MA5 and MA20. It will be some run, but it's monthly time frame. It's very huge time frame, very huge time frame, bearish trend. Okay, that's all. That's my review, monthly review for indexes, for stocks. If you want to learn more about it, go to the description and watch all my trainings, all my videos. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational, informational purposes only. Please read it. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish updates for stocks, ETFs, cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.